morning, students. Welcome to our English class. Hope you are good and safe. I'm Saranya and I'm here to teach you about phrases and its types. So at the end of the class, you will be able to define phrase, define noun phrase, adverb phrase, adjective phrase, identify noun phrase, adverb phrase and adjective phrase in a sentence. What is a phrase? A phrase is a group of related words that does not have a subject performing an action. A phrase can be a part of a sentence, but it cannot stand alone as a sentence. So here, a phrase is a group of related words. It does not have a subject and a predicate. Phrase conveys some sense, but cannot stand alone to form a complete sentence or to convey a complete thought. It depends on other group of words to make sense. For example, the black hat blown away in the evening. So these are the examples for phrase. So let us compare the above examples with the one below. The red umbrella. So it depends on other words or phrases to form a meaningful sentence. The red umbrella was blown away in the wind. Types of phrases. Noun phrase, adverb phrase, adjective phrase. So let us see about noun phrase. A noun phrase is a group of words made up of a noun and its modifiers. So here a noun is a group of words that does the work of a noun in a sentence. For example, the white car, the pink house are the examples for noun phrase. A noun phrase answers the questions who or what. It can be either the subject or the object in a sentence. To win a medal for the country is my ambition. So here, if you ask a question, what is my ambition? Your answer would be to win a medal for the country. So this entire phrase will be the answer for the question what. So this phrase is a noun phrase. But you will also see that this phrase acting as a subject in this sentence. So to identify the subject of a sentence, we have to put what before the verb. What is the verb here? Is. So if we ask what is my ambition, our answer would be to win a medal for the country. So in this, to win a medal for the country acting as the subject, and it is also doing the work of a noun. So we have a noun phrase acting as the subject. The girl wants to eat an ice cream. So what does the girl want? To eat an ice cream. So in this, to eat an ice cream is a noun phrase because it is answering the question what. It is acting as a noun. We can also see that it is acting as an object to the verb wants. What does the girl want? To eat an ice cream. So to eat an ice cream acting as an object to the verb wants. Sam forgot Sarah's birthday. What did Sam forgot? Sarah's birthday. So in this, Sarah's birthday is therefore a noun phrase. Helping your mother is good. So here, this phrase answers the question, what is good? Since it is the subject of the verb is in the sentence, the phrase is a noun phrase. It does the work of the noun in this sentence. Adverb phrase. An adverb phrase functions as an adverb. Answers the questions when, where, how often, how long. So when a phrase tells us something more about the action word in the sentence or describes the verb in a sentence, it is called an adverb phrase. A phrase which does the work of an adverb in a sentence is known as an adverb phrase. For example, they ran really fast. So here, fast is an adverb and really is providing more information about the adverb fast. So really fast is an adverb phrase here. Adverb phrase of place. Renita won first prize in the school's running race. So here in the school's running race is the adverb phrase that tells us more about the verb won. When the adverb phrase gives us more information about the place where the action happens, it is an adverb phrase of place. Adverb phrase of time. The prize distribution ceremony will be held in the evening. So here, in the evening is the adverb phrase that tells us more about the verb will be held. The adverb phrase tells us when the ceremony will be held. When an adverb phrase gives us more information about the time when the action happens, it is an adverb phrase of time. An adverb phrase of time answers the question when. Adverb phrase of manner. The teacher congratulated Renita by shaking her hand. So here, by shaking her hand is the adverb phrase that tells us more about the verb congratulated. The adverb phrase tells us how or the manner the teacher congratulated Renita. When an adverb phrase gives us information about the manner in which the action happens, it is an adverb phrase of manner. An adverb phrase of manner answers the question how. Adjective phrase. An adjective phrase is a group of words that does the work of an adjective. Answers the questions what kind, which ones, how many, how much. So when a sentence describes the noun in the sentence, it is called an adjective phrase. An adjective phrase is a phrase which does the work of an adjective in a sentence. For example, the cost of the car is way too high. So here, high is an adjective, and way to is just helping the main word high. So here way to high is an adjective phrase. Let us see few more examples. The prince lost his crown made of gold. So here made of gold is a group of words that is describing the crown. So this phrase is a describing the crown and is doing the work of an adjective. She was wearing a frock of red color. So here the adjective phrase is of red color. The ice cream maker is of no use. So which is the phrase here that is describing the ice cream maker? Of no use. So of no use is the adjective phrase here. So students, let us solve the book back questions. Write P for phrases and S for sentences. First one, all that great poetic stuff. So it is a phrase. The poem has many metaphors. So it is a sentence. There is no plot in this poem. It is also a sentence. Pretty sure is a phrase. I read poems every day. So it is a sentence. At 7 in the morning. So it is a phrase. Write whether the underlined phrases are noun phrases, adjective phrases, or adverb phrases. The sandy beach stretched for miles. So, stretched for miles is an adjective phrase. They live on the other side of the town. So here, on the other side of the town is an adverb phrase. Sharon could not find her favorite sweater. So here, her favorite sweater is a noun phrase. The project on which I am working is not yet complete. So here, not yet complete is an adjective phrase. My elder brother is a celebrated chef. So here, a celebrated chef is a noun phrase. The shopkeeper exchanged the torn garment with reluctance. So here with reluctance is an adverb phrase.
So students, let us recall what we saw in today's class. Students, what is a phrase?
A phrase is a group of related words. It doesn't have a subject and a predicate.
Phrase can be part of sentence, but it cannot stand alone as a sentence. Students, give me few examples for phrase. Under the table.
The sports car.
Very good, students. What are the three types of phrase?
Noun phrase, adverb phrase, and adjective phrase.
What is a noun phrase? A noun phrase is a group of words that does the work of a noun in a sentence. A noun phrase answers the questions.
Who or what, ma'am?
Ma'am, a noun phrase can be either the subject or the object in a sentence. Very good, Veda. What is an adverb phrase? When a phrase tells us something more about the action word in the sentence or describes the verb in a sentence, it is called an adverb phrase, ma'am. An adverb phrase functions as an adverb, ma'am. An adverb phrase answers the questions?
Ma'am, an adverb phrase answers the questions when, where, how long, how often.
Very good, John. Then we saw about adverb phrase of place, time and manner. John, tell me, An adverb phrase of time answers the question.
Ma'am, an adverb phrase of time answers the question when.
Veda, tell me, an adverb phrase of place answers the question.
Ma'am, an adverb phrase of place answers the question where.
Then we saw about adverb phrase of manner. An adverb phrase of manner answers the question how. What is an adjective phrase?
When a phrase describes the noun in the sentence, it is called an adjective phrase, ma'am.
So students, I will be posting assignments in Google Classroom. So download the Google Classroom app from Play Store. Click join and join our classroom and submit your assignments there. Thank you
ma'am.
students.